Hello, welcome to my holiday open house video. I'm so excited to have you join me. If you are local, I'd love for you to come. Lots of options for you to make it. Thursday, 10 to 4, Friday, 2 to 7, Saturday, 9 to 3, Sunday, 1 to 3, and Monday, 9 to 3. Or you can schedule your own time to come in and visit me anytime in the month of November. If you're not local, you can always schedule a virtual session with me after my open house, and I would love to share with you all the cool things and catch up together with you. So let me give you a quick tour so you can see some of the new goodies and some of the fun gift ideas. Let's start here. So we have our new men's skincare line, cleanser, moisturizer, and shave cream. It's amazing. I have some fun limited edition body care. This is a shower body wash, hair and body wash together as a set. And of course, fabulous men's colognes. We have women's colognes and fun lip colors. And of course, fabulous skincare, my most popular Time-Wise Repair, and also the Time-Wise Miracle set, alongside of a few wrinkle reducers and the fabulous Clinical Solutions line, including this new Clinical Solutions Barrier Restore 113. This is actually 1 part ceramide, 1 part fatty acids, and 3 parts cholesterol to help restore a weak skin barrier and reduce redness. It is amazing, let me just tell you. And then we have, of course, men's skincare. There's the skincare for teens and my people who don't like a lot of anti-aging, Clear Proof for acne-prone skin, and these fun eye patches that are like eye candy. Here's some more fun body care, and these are some fun gift ideas. I'll show them to you on the table, but one thing I want to point out are these fabulous cute sets of eyeshadows, Inner Fire and Outer Glow, limited edition, and also new is a new waterproof Great Heights mascara, and these amazing eye crayons. I think you're really going to love these new Shimmer eyeshadow sticks, and I just have to show them to you really quick. We have Copper Nova. You just twist it up and you draw it across your eye. Look at that beautiful shine. It is also waterproof, which makes it even more fabulous. This one is the Midnight Galaxy. So it's like shiny and kind of a grayish tone. We also have Golden Sunrise. This one is kind of like a light white color, very similar to Light Beam if you were a fan of the liquid eyeshadows. And these are actually replacing the liquid eyeshadows. And this one is Radiant Bronze. And we have one more. And this one is the Pink Prisms. This one is really pretty also. This one is very similar to Pink Starlight. So you have 5 fun shades, all waterproof. They'll all stay on, and they act as like a base for your eyeshadows. So you can check them out and play with them in person, or just order them now. They're actually not even on my website. They're so new. So you can ask me more questions if you're not sure all the names of the colors. So Copper Nova, Midnight Galaxy, Golden Sunrise, Radiant Bronze, and Pink Prisms. So many choices. Okay, then over here we have the Snowmen hand cream. These are fun hand cream wrapped up like little snowmen, and you can pick your shade of fuzzy socks on top. This one is my gift a grandparent. My unit and I are collecting donations to help fundraise. We're going to be donating a packet of goodies, like a gift to the seniors at the Monarch Landing, the Springs of Monarch Landing in Naperville on December 10th. So we're fundraising for 60 gifts to give to the residents there. So if you'd like to participate, it's just 16 to help one resident or 32 to help 2. Here we have coffee and cream. We have a fun satin lips set, which is so fun and easy to wrap up. Great gift for any time of year. And thanks for a fabulous teacher, or we can say a fabulous person. We can modify that cool gift idea for that. Of course, microdermabrasion and masks always make a great gift. And here we have lip cakes. These are lip glosses wrapped up with like little socks and a little snowman or snowflake. These are joy jars, so we can fill them with whatever fits into the jar. This one is satin lips. This one is the lip tint. And we also have, of course, the warm hands. That's a very famous one. Mini purses. These are so cute this year, new edition. We can customize it and put anything we want in there. in here is a satin lips set, and this one is a lip tint, so we can kind of customize that for you. And Hey Ready for Vacay is a new one also. These are fun travel suitcases fitting the satin lips in there, or we can put the gel cream cheek color, or we can even put the lip tint in there. So they're really fun, and they even roll. They're so cute. And then we have larger suitcases that fit travel size of the skincare or even mascara and lip gloss. So you can do whatever we want in those. Of course, satin hands always makes a great gift. And we have our blinged out micellar water or eye makeup remover. Here are the fun eye candies that we talked about. This one is hydration helpers. So it's a travel size, a baby of your hand cream, and then a full size hand cream as well. So you have a whole set in there. And then here's the men's body care set that we were showing you earlier. This one is Hello New Me. This is build your own body care or skincare bundle. It comes in a cute bag, a zippered bag, and we can fill it how we want. And then we have Holiday Clean satin hand soap with a holiday towel. So those are really fun. And then lastly, we have our Mistletoe Magic. So it's the Mint Bliss Lotion with fuzzy socks and a fun little bauble. Or you can wrap it up just with the box. So that is the fuzzy socks in the box. Or you can have it into its cute little cup that says Mint to be Cozy. So you have that option as well. So many choices. So there you have it, all the fun, well, some of the fun that you will experience at my holiday open house. And hopefully you found some fun gift ideas for yourself or maybe for a friend or somebody that you know. I so appreciate you choosing Mary Kay and working together with me. You make a difference in my Mary Kay business, and I so thank you. So hopefully I get to see you. I'd love to catch up either virtually or in person. Join me at my open house Thursday through Monday. Please RSVP and let me know the day and time you're expecting to come, so I know when to see you. And then also RSVP by Wednesday the 5th so you can qualify to redeem your 5% back of all of your 2025 purchases. So thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day and happy holidays. Hope to see you soon.